Good morning, everybody. Dave in Kentucky, and we are doing, reach over here, we're doing a Williams shave today. We have some new Williams lather, and it has Lanotrate 25 in it. So that's endorsed by Skin Specialist and helps prevent razor irritation. At least it did back in, I'm guessing, in the 50s. Three things it says: it cuts the natural razor resistance of stubborn stubble for faster shaves. It protects your skin with a lubricant coating, eases the razor across your face for smoother shaves. And it leaves Lanotrate 25 on the face. I don't know if I care for that. Easily absorbed, all right. Letting your face stay in top condition. All right, so that's what we're going to go with today. And I haven't even picked out a brush. I guess we're going to need to grab a synthetic. We can use. Okay, let's just grab this Razorock. The soft. A little water on that. Anyway, so cracking it open. Looks like it's still fresh enough. If I go, I hope it's quickly, and at least it will be on camera, so it's documented. Anyway, it was in pretty good condition. What's that smell like? It reminds me of something. I think we have plenty of water. Let's kill that. And I believe I've done a video already with it, but since it is Williams Wednesday, we're going to use the Williams razor too. Oh, I can already feel that Lanotrate kicking in. Looks like we're going to have to clean up the den today. When I get back from work, maybe. All right. So we're going to use our, as I said, our Williams razor, and I think I've done a shave with this before. It's open comb for October. I know it's not a true open comb, but it's open where the blade is, and I don't need an open comb anyway. I shave every day. So anyhow, it's a pinch close. Again, I think I've done a video on this, and I pulled a fresh Wizamet blade out. Basically lay it in there. Close the razor, you're good to go. So we're going to top things off with, of course, Aqua Velva, because I believe when I was reading this, the perfect finish to every shave is Aqua Velva, the world's most popular aftershave lotion. So there you have it. We had to finish up with that, and then I'll use some Azero Visit. So how's everybody doing today? I got a few things in yesterday, one being this, which was perfect timing for Williams Wednesday, and I thought I should use it and do a video. Another thing I got in, and I've been messaging back and forth with Toby C on the forums. is I got a Gillette Bulldog razor in. I'll show you it in a minute. And it kind of has us both puzzled because the serial number shows it being in 1912. And all advertising and information on it indicates the Bulldog was released in 1914 through, I think, 1921. That puts this thing in 2 years earlier. And I know you're thinking, are you sure that's a C, Dave, in the serial number? Maybe it's a G. Nope, it's a C. I can't get the picture to focus to send him to see better, but in person, looking at it, it's very clear it's a C. Ah, I love allergies. Busted septum from when I was younger, and allergies and asthma. That's why it sounds like I can hardly breathe when I'm on here. Anyway, let me grab the razor here. So there's the Bulldog. It's interesting, like I said, when you pull it off, there's no diamond logo, which I'm told started in 1913, so that would be after 1912. Serial number is a C1, and then the stamp's a little unclear. And then 680. So the second and third numbers are hard to make out, but that's all that's on it. It's definitely a C. The other thing you can read down below here, and I'm sure you can't make it out on there, but it says Bulldog, and then under that, CAN for Canada, PAT for patent, March 7, 05. 05? Right? So, I don't know. Has me a little puzzled. Maybe we can sort it out. Doesn't matter when it's from. Very happy to have gotten it. It came with the leather case that was in real rough shape. And I'm mailing today to North Carolina to see what Jim can do about that. Jim on the Shave Den, who seems to have a knack for bringing cases back to life. It may not be, I'm not worried about collector value. I just want to look half decent and function. There goes the stomach telling me I'm hungry. I don't know if the audio picked that up, but all right. I don't know much about Lanotrate 25, but it's slick. Got plenty of lather for a 3-pass shave. slickness on this is as good as anything being produced nowadays by the artisans. I had a big house scheduled for today. Guy's been after me to get it done and scheduled it Friday. Messaged me last night. Wife's going to be out of town. I got to head out early. Can we reschedule? Really? You didn't know that? They could have had a family emergency, something come up. I'm at a point I was not taking any new customers, but he was a referral of a good customer, so I thought I'd make an exception, and I'm starting to wonder if it was worth it. So we'll shoot for him on Monday. If it doesn't happen on Monday, I'll refer somebody else to do the job. Okay, so Williams razor is just, it's a mild razor, but an efficient one. Let me get a rinse. I can be more patient with people with work. It's just things are busy right now. And splitting months of October and November here. I'm trying to get things done and get ahead of November for my camping trip I'm heading on first week in November. That's why I'm less patient. Don't mess with my vacation. Abby the dog has decided to visit us. I'm here on the floor walking through. Anyway, okay, where are we at? Some Humphreys. Got a good rinse there. Of course, except for the Lanotrate 25. That stays on the face. But by now it's absorbed in, according to them, right? Let me rinse the brush out while that's drying. And where are we at time-wise here? Just almost 14 minutes. I've got to get done and get out the door. Just not in a big hurry now that I don't have to be at that house at a certain time. I'm just going to catch up on some commercial stuff. Set that to dry. And some Aqua Velva. I don't know if that's the same era or not. Probably this Aqua Velva would be more around that time period, I'm guessing, the 50s. I don't know. There are no rules. Good stuff. All right, so there you have it. Quick shave in the books. Thanks for joining me today. I'll sort out the deal with the bulldog, and we'll do a video on that one eventually. But today was the Williams Lather and Williams Razor. So for Williams Wednesday. Hope you guys all have a great day today, and we'll see you around on the forum.